Is your cat coughing? It could be a sign of a respiratory problem. There are different types of coughs that cats can have, including dry, wet, and gagging coughs. Some common causes of coughing in cats include viral or bacterial infections, allergies, asthma, and heart disease. If your cat is coughing, it's important to take them to the vet for an evaluation and diagnosis. Your vet may recommend diagnostic tests such as blood work, X-rays, or a bronchoscopy to determine the underlying cause of your cat's cough. Treatment options for coughing cats depend on the underlying cause and may include medications, environmental changes, or surgery. It's important to follow your vet's recommendations and monitor your cat closely for any changes in their symptoms. With proper diagnosis and treatment, many cats with coughing issues can go on to live happy and healthy lives. If you suspect that your cat is coughing or having respiratory issues, don't wait, schedule an appointment with your vet today. In some cases, coughing in cats can be a sign of a more serious condition, such as lung cancer or congestive heart failure. Your vet may recommend lifestyle changes, such as reducing stress and increasing exercise, to help manage your cat's respiratory health. It's important to work closely with your vet to manage your cat's respiratory health and prevent complications. With proper care and attention, you can help your cat live a healthy and happy life, even if they experience coughing or other respiratory symptoms.